The inspiration to create this bell emerged from my work on a series of ceramic sculptures, which were a depiction of the national identity changing in a multicultural environment. I started to think about what's stable in all these metamorphoses. The DNA seems to be bearing the sound of our ancestors, as we are all vibrating energy. We are who we are thanks to our roots. Decebalus is a national Romanian hero, the symbol of freedom and peace. The past, it's never dead, nor is it actually the past. It's rather a never ending present. And it doesn't matter where we are. There is every time a Decebalus resonating inside us. We are a perpetual song of our ancestors. During my research, I found a lot of new information about the territory of my country. According to some of them, including researchers from different parts of the world, there was culture and people speaking a unique language and a precursor of Sanskrit and Latin in Carpathian region. And that was 10,000 years ago. I would dare to say this could be the cradle of Europe itself. In a way, the sound of my bell isn't just the sound of my DNA. It's interesting that the sound measurement is made in decibels, which sounds similar to the name of the character that inspired the work. As my bell is a sculpture, it makes different sounds every time one hits it. I wanted people to ring the bell and find their own sound, their own DNA sound, their own roots.